match of this run is against Wales, so a bit of a tricky situation really for me, because the first match against Wales I was kind of hoping for San Marino. Wales, of course, they are a brilliant team in Europe, but on the game they're rated sort of 3.5 stars, and that to me says in my mind that I could take them. The problem is that Eritrea, it depends what type of Eritrea I want to show up, because in the first game of the World Cup you don't get any training beforehand, so you just get basic Eritrea. You can't actually put the stats up before the game, which is a massive shame. Here we go then, Eritrea versus Wales, the start of our December stuff, our fun little runs I guess, and our reruns and stuff. I know what you're probably all thinking, like, oh, you're just rehashing content. It's like, yes, essentially, I am. Wales and Eritrea never played each other before, I'm fairly sure. Their main threat is going to be Gareth Bale, and arguably Gareth Bale could probably just walk past some of these players. I think the San Marino match is definitely going to be the biggest match of the whole group, even if I don't get out of the group, because that'll be such an interesting game. I'm hoping that both teams are as bad as each other and we get like a 5-5 draw or something like that. Seem to be passing the ball around quite well. Remember, most of these runs, well actually all of these 2014 runs now, are done on world-class difficulty, so with Eritrea that's a massive difficulty spike for me. Already almost 30 minutes into the game and we haven't conceded yet, and we've actually been quite lively. Tackling's a little bit of an issue with some of these players. Well, half-time and Wales are wondering what's going wrong at the moment. They can't seem to utilise Gareth Bale and the rest of the players against this really, really resilient Eritrea side. But to be fair, Wales haven't had many chances, and neither have I, to be fair. That's literally been the highlight of the game, that corner at the moment. 0 shots on target for both teams. Has been a very dull game, but I'm sure Eritrea in real life, if they were drawing against Wales in like the first half, would be absolutely delighted. Tilahan, okay, good ball. Come on, Alexander. Come on, you're through. Let's go. Oh, Welsh goalkeeper saves it with his leg, and a rare chance for Eritrea goes begging. Gareth Bale with the free kick. He launches it into the box. It's punched away. Going to turn Eritrea into the new Barcelona. Not Barcelona these days, because Barcelona these days are rubbish. This is the one that you've all been waiting for. It's Eritrea versus San Marino, one of the biggest games in the world. So I'm hoping I can score in this game. If I don't, then it'll be a colossal failure for Eritrea not to score against San Marino. Both of these teams are exactly the same team, probably the exact same rating and everything. This team needs to get it done against San Marino. Even though San Marino drew against Mexico, which means that if San Marino win this match, they have a high chance of going through to the knockout rounds. He's running. He's basically ran past all of them, and it's blocked by San Marino. We have a corner. So more attacking play than we did in the Wales game. I'm going to shoot from outside the box, and that was a horrendous shot. Oh wow, San Marino just played that kind of ball, and they almost scored from it. Tackled by San Marino. We got it back though, and we get stuck on the player. Don't you just hate that, like, when you got a good attack going and the game's physics on this game just absolutely screw you over? Go for the shot, and it's saved by San Marino keeper, and the header wasn't very good either. San Marino just don't really want to attack. Like, they just had one attack, and they're like, yeah, we'll settle for that. Well, this match has kind of fallen flat. It is 0-0. We've had a couple of shots and easily saved by the San Marino keeper. But, yeah, no, nothing too exciting so far. I don't know how that player, Rinaldi, like, basically just keeps the ball. He's done it, like, 3 times there. Like, can we just please tackle him? Like, he's still got the ball. It's absolutely crazy. And another one. This game, how we did not score against San Marino, a team that is on the same level as Eritrea. Possibly, slightly even worse. But oh my god, that game was just defend, 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 defend. Because I knew San Marino were going to do that, but I was attacking constantly. And yet they still managed to put in a defensive masterclass against. They really, really need a miracle to get out of this group stage. It's not going to happen, but I'm kind of in the mindset that I got to play for pride, at least. So, yeah, I mean, I know Mexico are going to beat me. It's just a matter of keeping the goal tally down by, I don't know, let's say 2 or 3-0 is the buffer zone. Anything over that, and then it's going to start getting a little bit annoying. Mexico, that was a really, really good ball, and I thought they just scored a banger against me, but it turns out it just went right at the post. That would have been a really, really good goal. San Marino just scored against Wales. Like, what is going on with that San Marino team? Is it like their golden generation or something? Oh, look at this movement by Eritrea. It's lovely movement, but unfortunately, it gets cleared. Mexico pressing on that wing. They cross it in and dealt with by the keeper quite nicely. Again, we're 30 minutes into the game, and Eritrea have done well to keep it at this scoreline. Mexico might have given me a gift. No, scratch that. My player is not fast enough. It's a good ball. That better not be offside. I'm just going to have a go, and that was our first real shot of the whole tournament. I'm not even joking. It almost feels like San Marino are trying to do me a favour, and I'm just not taking my chance. Half time, and we're drawing against Mexico, which is brilliant. Very, very good result at the moment for Eritrea. Even if we go out, it's still a decent result. There we go. That's a good tackle. Come on, keep running. San Marino are 2-0 up against Wales. What is going on in this World Cup, honestly? Why? Not to him. I mean, I scored unofficially.